I am not by any means a makeup minimalist, and I like to travel. I have figured out how to be my most makeup-y self in a carry-on, and I never feel like I am missing anything, and this is how I do it. Now, for me to feel like I have everything I need for a full face in my travel makeup bag, I need to be able to create a look that is super low-key or complete high drama and everything in between. But I know, just like you can't carry too much if you're going to be a carry-on only traveler, right? So over the course of my packing career, is it a career? Like, it's not a, whatever, you know what I mean. Over the course of my packing experience, I've created 2 different makeup kits that I take with me. I either take one or the other to give me either the super high drama look that I want sometimes, or the more realistic low-key look that I wear all the time. Now, the first makeup kit that I put together that I travel with all the time is a cream-based makeup kit, because at 52 years old, the cream makeup sits a little bit better on my skin, and nothing except for the mascara has to go into my TSA liquids bag. Let me show you what I carry. I carry this compact that's got everything I need for my full complexion. I carry a setting powder. I carry these eyeshadows all the time. I'll show you those in just a second. I carry some tools. I carry a lip liner, mascara. I carry an eyeliner and some brushes. And that's it. Now, this makeup compact is the one that's designed by Saint, and I know a lot of people are against the whole multi-level marketing companies, and I'm fine with that. If you don't like Saint because it's an MLM, then that's okay, don't buy Saint. I like the compact. I have the smaller compact that allows you to keep 4 products on each side. Of course, this does not look beautiful because this is what I actually have on my face right now. I use this every day, and that's just how it looks. Now, some of these are Saint, like this is a Saint product, this is a Saint product, and this is a Saint product. This is a contour cream, this is a bronzer, and this is what they call a highlight. This is not a Saint product. I had ordered a highlight color, that's what they call their foundations, is highlights, and it just was a terrible color for me. So what I did is I scraped all their product out of it, and I melted a stick concealer from Dermablend right into this tin. So I guess that's kind of cheating a little bit when you use their setup, but you don't necessarily use their product, but whatever. I paid for all of it, so I feel like I have the right to do what I want with it, and it works fantastic. Like, it works so well, y'all. Now, this is a 2-sided compact, so on the other side, I have cheek products. These 2 middle blushes are from Saint, and this cream highlighter is from Saint. This nude tone cream blush on the end, that is from Stila. And I did the same thing with this Stila blush product that I had done with my Dermablend concealer. I just scraped out the Saint product that I didn't care for the color in, and I melted in the Stila product that I absolutely love. Now, for my eye makeup, I used this Milani matte palette to start almost every single look I ever do. I am not an eye makeup genius by any means. I basically lay down the foundation of my eye makeup in mattes, in these Milani matte tones, and then I pick a shimmer color to pop on the lid and call it a day. Like, that's my whole eyeshadow game, that's all I got. So this is my basic matte palette that I use for every look that I start. And then the shimmers is where I play with color. The shimmers is where I change up the look a little bit from one look to another. The shimmers are what give me the ability to go either super low key or high drama by changing out the color of the type of shimmer that I use. And I kind of have curated my own collection of shimmers. I don't use any one particular palette to do that. And what I did is I bought this magnetic palette from ColourPop. It's just a super simple palette from ColourPop that I use to carry the shimmers. So these shadows are a collection of brands. This one up here, this is ColourPop. This is, I don't even remember who makes this one. These square ones are Natasha Denona. This dark gunmetal silvery gray one, which is an absolutely stunning evening color, is from Urban Decay. And then this is a black matte shadow because this doesn't have a black matte in it. And when I'm traveling to a warm climate and I don't want my eyeliner to melt off, I'll use this black shadow as an eyeliner. And this is an eyebrow powder, but as I've gotten older, those colors are probably too dark for me. I really need to consider changing that out. And with just these 2, I create my whole eyeshadow look. And then I have a lip liner. I have my favorite daytime lip look ever is just Dior Lip Glow in pink, love it. And then I have a YSL red that works for my skin tone. Of course, mascara. This is the only thing that needs to go in my liquids bag. And then I use this pressed powder from Estee Lauder as a setting powder over my cream products if I feel like I need it that day. Often I just go as is, I don't need to set it. But if I do feel like I need to set it, this is the powder that I use. And I carry an eyeliner. This is just the Hourglass waterproof eyeliner. I absolutely love this. It takes just a second to set down, but once it sets, it stays forever. And so it's a great option when you're traveling or, you know, just wearing eyeliner on any other day. And then, of course, all the tools to make it happen, and that's it. Once I really understand exactly what I needed in my makeup kit, I realized I didn't have a great way to contain the kit. Like, I was putting it in a little pouch, and that was fine, but it can be a little awkward. My makeup brushes were getting squished, and it just wasn't working well, so I started out looking for different ways to carry my makeup kit when I'm traveling. And I found an incredible makeup travel bag. Let me show you that. I got this on Amazon. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I went with purple just because I could. What I absolutely love about this bag is that it separates your makeup brushes from your makeup products. And you can see I still have a pencil sharpener in there. I just leave that pencil sharpener in there to sharpen my lip liner whenever I'm traveling because I will forget to pack one. So I have one at home and one in my travel bag that I don't ever have to worry about packing. And then it comes with these little dividers so you can really organize your space, divide it up, but I don't use those at all. So I just chunk that over there. And this allows you to just easily store all your stuff right where you need it, right where you're going to want it. And that's it. It folds up really super flat. I have everything I need, and I set this in the base of my backpack, and it fits perfectly, and I absolutely love it. The only thing I don't put in my backpack or in this bag is my mascara, because mascara does need to go in your liquids bag for TSA security. You don't want to have problems with TSA when you get there. So just put your mascara in your liquids bag. Now, I don't usually travel with a liquid lip gloss, but if you do travel with a liquid lip gloss, I don't usually travel with a liquid lip gloss. I love my Dior Lip Glow. That's my day-to-day go-to when I travel. But if you do travel with a liquid lip gloss, you'll need to put that in your liquid bag as well. Now, that is the makeup kit I travel with almost all the time, unless I am traveling to a location that is going to be really, really hot and really, really humid. Because cream products melt off my face when it's really hot and really humid. And nobody wants to have a melty face when they're out traveling. You want to go experience the world and have a good time, and you don't want to do that with a melting face. So when I'm traveling to that hot, humid climate, I don't take these cream products. Everything else stays exactly the same, but I don't take the cream complexion products. What I take instead are these two products. This is a mineral powder foundation, and it's in a pressed powder. You can get mineral foundations in loose powders. I really prefer to travel with a pressed powder because the loose powder is messy for me. I'm messy with the loose powder, whatever, it just doesn't work out. So this is the one, this Pure Minerals. I've been using this for years and years and years, and this is the mineral foundation that I prefer to travel with. And then this Smashbox Cali Contour Palette is my sculpting powder, my setting powder, a bronzer, a blush, and 2 different highlighters. So this, along with this, is everything I need for my complexion makeup when I'm traveling to those hot, humid places. And when that happens, I just change out those cream products for those. I don't take the setting powder if I'm not traveling with cream products because the Cali Contour Kit has a powder that I can use for setting and it works really great. So there's no need to take this or this. Now, the makeup brushes that I use for powder products are different than the brushes that I choose for cream products, so I also change those out. And again, I'm off and ready to go with nothing but my mascara that needs to go into my liquids bag. And it's just that simple. That's how I travel as a very high maintenance woman with everything I need to create my regular everyday to day look, or even a super dramatic look, because, you know, I'm a high maintenance woman and sometimes those super dramatic looks are a lot of fun. I really enjoy those too. And both of these kits Don't require anything except for my mascara to go into my liquids bag. So having only this little mascara in my liquids bag saves lots of room in there for all the other lotions and potions and, you know, everything I need to be the high maintenance woman that I am, even when I'm traveling. If you haven't seen the video about how I take everything I need with me to be my authentically high maintenance self and go through TSA security with no problem at all, I will link it here. You might find that one interesting. So if this is your first time hanging out with me, I just want to say, hey, thanks for hanging out till the end of this video. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Thanks so much for coming back to hang out with me. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider it if you want to. Like, if you do not want to subscribe, if you're not ready, don't worry about it. That is not a problem at all. No pressure. I will be here. I will be here making videos, and you will have an open invitation to come back and hang out anytime you like. So until I see you in the next video, this one right over here, I'm not quite sure where the video is. Anyway, I will see you there. Bye, y'all.